Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Trust Wallet token. After the month of June 2022, Trust Wallet has surged more than 1100%, and recently on the weekly time frame chart, it has broken out a very big symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze should we buy here or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my last trade setup of Trust Wallet token that I shared a long time ago, by the way, in the month of last November 2021. That was a breakout from a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well, and that was, by the way, more than 21% pump, and the price line again moved down. Now let me to show you this very big breakout from this symmetrical triangle that has happened on the weekly time frame chart. And during this move, we can see that we have also broken out a very significant resistance zone from $1 to $1.50. These both support and resistance levels are very significant. You can see that previously we got rejected here by $1 support, and we also got rejection here, and here it was breaking as a support. This $1 resistance was breaking here as a support, and here as a support, and here as a resistance. And after that, we can see that this $1.50 has been breaking as a resistance here, and also resistance here, and resistance here as well. This was, by the way, last rejection by this resistance. Therefore, now this level can work as a support, because if previously any level is breaking as a resistance, after breaking out, that level turns into a support. And we also have this support of $1 as well. But if we take a look at the oscillators here, not RSI, but stochastic, we can see that price line is forming higher low, higher high here, and stochastic is not able to do so. You can see it is lower high. It has formed a lower high than previous high. That is a bearish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, I am expecting that we can expect a price reversal from here for a retest of the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. For example, if it will test the triangle resistance as a support, that is, you can see exactly at the same level where we have this $1, that can be a very nice buying. But it is also possible that the price line may test this $1.57 support level, and from here it will start the next reversal move. There is another resistance that is an uptrend line resistance. You can see we are getting rejected again and again by this resistance, and now you can see that the price line is almost going to break out this resistance line, this one. We got rejection here, we got another rejection here, and we got another rejection here as well. The second situation or scenario can be if the price line breaks out this resistance line, because we have several touch points here, and now we got the recent rejection by this resistance level. And if the price line breaks it out, and if there will be no bearish divergence on the chart like we are having here at this time, the bearish divergence, then that can be another very nice buying. But remember, whether you're buying at this support or at this support, your stop loss, or after the breakout from this resistance, your stop loss should be this previous support of this triangle. You can see that here we also have this formation of the rising wedge pattern at the same time, and this was the previous triangle, the symmetrical triangle as well. This support, this long-term support, you can see it is breaking as a very strong support. We got a bounce here, we got another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Therefore, we should set this level as our stop loss. If this structure will be broken down, then there can be a very big drop expected. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, this move can be decisive for the price line. That can decide whether the price line is going to break out, or are we going to have a corrective move to the downside, because you can see that the movement is getting squeezed inside the symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart, by the way, not the daily time frame. And for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then you can see it is showing us a projection at $1.05. That is giving us the prediction that the price line can drop down up to this previous resistance of the triangle, and at this support of $1. And for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then you can see it is showing us the target to the upside at $3.11. That is showing us the projection beyond this resistance of the triangle. So after breaking out this triangle, I think there will be more chances that the price line will also break out this bigger resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Now let's take a look at the target for this bigger rising wedge pattern. First, let me just show you the target for this symmetrical triangle. And after the breakout, the target for this symmetrical triangle is here at $7.15. And the target for the rising wedge pattern, that can be, let me to place the trend line again. The target for the rising wedge pattern can be, it depends from where it will break out, that is beyond $20, approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.